आज नको कर. Hi students. In our last session of hockey game, we learned about dribbling hockey ball, as well as learned a basic step how to stop a ball while standing. Nothing is more satisfying than wanking a small hard ball with a large hockey stick. In field hockey, you also get to dribble that ball, flick it, roll it, and more. To start playing, you need some basic gear, including a stick and a mouth guard. Study the basic techniques and rules of the games so you can begin playing. This is a hockey stick, and these are the ball of different colors. Get a field hockey stick and ball. There are plenty of brands, so shop around and find a stick that feels comfortable in your hands. A stick will come up above to your hip when you hold its blade flat against the ground. Play around with the stick, taking some time to push around the small hard ball used in field hockey games. The average weight of a field hockey stick is about 21 oz, that is 600 gram. Many forwards choose lighter sticks that are easier to maneuver. Many players also carry at least two sticks in case they play different positions. Every stick has a flat side and a rounded side. The flat side is the part to use to strike the ball. This is the gear which is used in playing. Purchase shin guards and a mouth guard and goggles. These are the two basic protective tools every field hockey player needs. The shin guards are similar to saucer shin guards but offer a little more ankle protection. You can wear socks underneath them to make them more comfortable. Mouth guard always tend to feel uncomfortable, but they are the most important protective gear available. Goggles help protect you from flying balls and high stakes. They protect the slides and the front of your face. You can get gear online or at most sporting goods shops or stores. If you have good saucer shin guards, they can be a good starting point as you learn the game. Goalies also need a lightweight arm and leg padding as well as a cage helmet. Most players don't start off in goal, so consider learning the game as an outfield player before you decide on becoming a goalie. Goals gloves are optional piece of equipment. Many players like wearing them for additional protection. This is are the types of shoes with spikes. Wear field hockey cleats while playing. Field hockey matches are played on grass or turf like football, soccer, and other outdoor sports. Field hockey shoes have some rubber small cleats on the bottom that keep you from sliding while you run. Choose a pair of shoes that fit you but don't feel restrictive. Clinches are like spikes. If you have a saucer shoes, start with those. The clint studs are longer but still provide plenty of traction on the field. When you get more involved with field hockey, you can then choose specialist field hockey clints. You can use simple sports shoes also while practicing. So, these were the basic tools and equipments and gear used by an hockey player before getting started with hockey. Thank you.